Hey guys, and welcome to another AJ video where today I don't know why I didn't make the video when I was buying this, but yeah, so I bought this Arctic Wolf right now, and I'm gonna be showing you some fun ways to make it look Christmassy, like something like that or like that. I don't know. But yeah, okay, so the first one, I think that not many of you could have this, wear a spike green color, a holly hair bow, same color, Jama day sweater, and a green color, and then a red and gray elf tail armor. Change the eyes to a light green, then leave this white, and then I'm gonna add this thing. I mean, not this thing. I'm gonna add red color, and you're gonna get this darker green. And then you're gonna put these elf bracelets on, and you're done. And it's a very cute look. I really like it. I'm gonna leave it like this, but when I'm done with the video. So, and the reason the music's not on because it gets me pretty annoyed. I don't know why. Oh my god, I keep on clicking everything. Okay, the next one is to have a green warren, feather, green spike collar. I never mind. Redo. Sorry. I have like light blue candy cane socks, Jamela Day earmuffs in the light blue, and a Jamela bow in white. And then I'm gonna color it like that. I'm gonna leave it white, and then I'm gonna color that in black. And then take off the spike and the feather and leave it like that. Eyes, you can put them blue or white. I'm gonna leave them white. This is another way, and the socks look adorable on it. That's what I really like. And next look is with a worn spike collar, very Yeti face. This elf tail armor. And then color it white, red, green. And if you hear something in the back, it says I'm watching Teen Titans Go. This is another look. And this is the final look I'm going to show you. I'm turning the music on. Okay. And also, I am... Let me do something. Okay, much better. There, I moved the camera a little bit. And... yeah, but I'm gonna turn back to the other one because I don't really like that one that much. There. It's pretty cute. Especially that bow on them. It looks very, very cute. And you see, I'm very poor right now. That app on the note even goes there. It's weird. It's all lonely. Who left the stocking on the floor? Someone pick it up. Okay. I don't know what to do. I hate getting scammed. I got scammed 3 times. Oh no, she didn't. Oh yeah, she did. She copied my luck. Oh my god. I think she traded like all her spikes for her headdress. She does not have a spike. Oh my god, it's like, nah, I'm never gonna wear that. Oh my god. So weird. I need a mom. I have no home. Need a mom. Not gonna be nobody's mom. I'm a teenage girl. I'm kidding. I'm not even a teenager. Awkward silence. Okay, so yeah, this is the end of the video, and don't forget to like. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and comment below if you like this video or not. And also comment below if you want me to make more videos of these. And I'll see you later. Bye. I always love to do this.